So then I went to Cambridge, which was wonderful. Not only because it's a good school, but because it totally looks like Hogwarts. That's where I fell in love with astronomy, and now I'm an astrophysicist at Caltech, so I guess you could say Raj is my name and stars are my game. And rhyming is also my game. So, 2 games. Anyway, that's enough about me. I want to hear everything about you.
I have to go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom too. Sometimes more frequently than I care to admit. I've had it checked out. It's nothing. This is going great. Can I have a refill on my chai tea? Ah, yes. I have a good feeling about this. I should have bought condoms.